We're a little late. It's the last day of June, and we have the June Cat Lady box to open. We've been busy. And it's purple. You see that? Look how purple it is. Oh my goodness. You have to see what's the theme? A cat laying on a pillow with a plant. It looks like it's all about taking it easy. Yeah. We're going to take it easy. Taking it easy. What's this? Uh-oh. You know what I didn't do is I brought a knife, but I didn't bring scissors. I think I did the hanging things. This is a pair of sunglasses. I don't think you've ever had sunglasses before. Look, you like the plushies. It's really plushy. You want to wear sunglasses? It's pretty cute. It's pretty cute. Here. Do they smell good? They usually do a really good job with the catnip. I know you like the catnip. Here. Oh, there's another plushie this time. What is it? It's a beachcomber boot. So it's a cowboy boot that looks like the beach. I'll get that tag later. You can actually put your finger in it. Okay, it's a little kicking boot. That's why I can feel the catnip in this one. You probably like this one better. Here. Oh my, do you smell it? I smell it. That's some strong catnip in that one. Oof. It was making you squint. That's why they gave you sunglasses. Cat scrunchies. So hair scrunchies, they have cat ears, but when you put them on your hair, you're not going to see the cat ears. That's pretty cute. Soft, yeah. Soft cat scrunchies. There, that one shows it a little better. That's cute. And we have the t-shirt. Ooh, I'm liking the color. Take it easy with a brown kitty. Like an Abyssinian. That's awesome. Take it easy. I always order the extra large so that I wear them for pajamas. Nice and loose. Yeah. And look, there's a hat. Keep calm. Keep calm. You only want the box this time, huh? And a sticker. There's a cat lady sticker. That's awesome. We'll put that in our sticker collection. Did they know? Did they know? To be fair, I woke her up from a nap to come open the box. I just thought the catnip would get you zinging, because you usually like the catnip. Yeah. Now we know we gotta wait until we gotta make sure you're awake. New sunglasses? No Zeus to help you out today either. Well, we do like a good mesh back hat in the summertime. Yeah. Mellow Meow trucker hat. Trucker. If you know, you know. That's cute. Keep calm. Definitely wear that while we're outside. Yeah. Yeah. So we got a trucker hat, a cute t-shirt, two scrunchies with cat ears on them, a sticker, the postcard. You gonna check out the scrunchies? And Vivian got two plushies, two plush toys. I don't feel catnip in this one. I smell it though. Boot. The boot's got a lot of catnip in it. That's making me squint. Huh? See if I can get this off of here. You never wanna. Yeah. You wanna play in the box? Should we cut the flap off? I'm gonna cut the flap off so you can sit in it. That's what happens when I have the flap cover today, you know. There you go. You need to take a nap in the box with your toys. Yeah? Not impressed today? Was it because I woke you up? Huh? Is it because I woke you up? We gotta get all these weird little pieces of plastic. Yeah. Maybe we should go get Zeus. Here comes the Zeus man. For the record, he was taking a nap too. He's like, oh man, you opened it without me? Look. 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 And there's sunglasses. You want to wear the sunglasses? Here. He's like, no, I don't. This is the one that's stinky. Yeah. No? Not today? Oh. I'm going to get it a little bit. Yeah. Do you want to see the rest of the stuff? There's two scrunchies. These are for me, though, and they're not for you. And the postcard, and hat. There's a hat right here. It's a hat. And then this is the T-shirt this month. And then there's a sticker. Yeah. Yeah. That under there. What do you think? Yeah. Venus is gonna go take a nap. I need to go take a nap. Okay, now we know. Don't open the cat lady box in the middle of the afternoon. Right? Okay, we gotta pull out Larry Lemon Loaf and Caterpillar Carl. Well, it was sort of a dud this month. Here they sit. We need to get Larry the Lemon Loaf a little bit. Maybe they changed their catnip, because last month they weren't all that interested either. Oh, gotta wash Larry. Vivian, you want Carl? Carl Caterpillar? Yeah. Oh yeah, she likes Carl. We'll have to let them know. If they change their catnip, it's not good. The new catnip's not good. Yeah, don't do that. You know better. Silly cats. Alright. Now we know. Oh my goodness. Yeah, now she's going to be all wild.